creative, welcome to my channel. I get a ton of compliments and questions on how I get my hair like this, what products do I use, and if I can make a video on it. So here you have it. This is a tutorial on how I do my finger coils. You ready? Let's get it. You want to start off with freshly washed hair. I just got done washing my hair. That's why it's still wet. It's best to do this style on wet hair. Get you some Eco Styler as I am curling jelly, the classic one. This is the match stuff right here, baby, okay? Some oil for your scalp since we just washed it. A better comb that I have, some hair ties, and your fingers. Let's get it. Before anything, make sure your scalp is oiled because we don't want no itchy or dry scalp over here, okay? If you're wondering my hair texture, it's a 3C4A, and these are just some of the products that works best for my hair. So find you products that work for you. Start by sectioning off and parting the back of your hair. The parts don't have to be perfect. Remember, this is a natural hairstyle, not a 30-inch buzz down. Now, depending on how big or small you want your curls to be, that's how much hair you need to grab. If you want them to be bigger than the size that I'm doing, you need to grab more hair. And if you want your curls to be smaller, you'll need to grab less hair. It all depends on the look that you're going for. One more product that I'll be using for this finger coil tutorial is Shea Butter for a hair moisturizer. A lot of people tell me all the time that my hair smells so good. This is why. This is the reason. Now that your hair is sectioned off, you want to comb through it to make sure it's detangled. Then afterwards, put the hair jelly and your gel, rub that through your hair. And then what you want to do is, depending on the size that you want your coils to be, grab that section off and just use your fingers to twist your hair around your fingers. Make sure you have enough product in your hair so it will come out looking moisturized and curly. Then when you feel like you've curled it enough, you can just let it go and start on the next piece. And you're gonna want to do this to your whole head. Now, depending on how you part your hair is how your curls will fall and lay. So as you can see, the way I'm doing it, I want them to lay like box braids. The way you would part your hair if you're doing box braids, I want my curls to lay and fall like that. Like I said earlier, make sure your hair has enough moisturizer in it so your curls will come out defined. This is an extremely important part of this process, especially depending on the products that you use. You just want to make sure you have enough and that your hair is moisturized enough to curl or to hold the curl. And just go through each section and use your finger to curl your hair. This hairstyle takes a lot of patience, so don't rush the process. Make sure you're being consistent throughout your whole head. You don't want to start off small in the back and then get bigger unless you want to. Like, you do have free will, so do as you please. Yeah, if you're watching this and you would like to get the same results or the similar results or outcome as me, then consistency is key. Not all of your curls are going to come out the same size, and that's fine. But when I say consistency, I'm talking about just being consistent with the sections that you part, if that makes sense. So as you can see, I'm taking my time and curling each section. If you feel the need to put more product in your hair, you can always do so. This hairstyle could last up to 2 to 3 weeks depending on how you keep up with it. If anything, you could spritz water and a little bit of As I Am jelly on your hair when you feel like you just needed a little refresher, or when you feel like it's getting old. But I absolutely love this hairstyle because I could get up, wake up, go to work, go outside, and not have to worry about doing my hair. So I love doing natural hairstyles, natural protective hairstyles, because doing your hair as a black woman, as anybody, like, it could be a lot. So I love this hairstyle. This is the perfect hairstyle for you if you just want to be up on the go and not really have to worry about anything, and your hair still be cute at the end of the day. My curls last really a long time, for real, and it's nothing to just redo this style again. And I'll probably redo it in probably like 2 weeks. I'll give it about 2 weeks. I'll make a video showing what it looks like in a week or 2 weeks. Also, don't forget to make sure you're combing out your hair thoroughly before you start to curl your hair. I just ended up splitting my hair in half because it was too much hair and I didn't like how the curls was coming out. Okay, I know it looks crazy, but bear with me. Hold on. You have the option to use a hair dryer to dry your hair if you want to. I usually just let my hair air dry and dry on its own, but that's really it. That's it. Look at those curls, baby. Yes, beautiful. 10 over 10 plus 10 minus nothing. Gorgeous. Okay, a little 360. I do have some heat damage though, as you can see in the front here, from a style that I did previously for like this Christmas party, but it's okay. We still cute. Really feeling myself in the mirror, child. Don't mind me. This is really one of my favorite hairstyles. I love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend. Okay, baby? Let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching. Till next time.